Kadena generally is one of the greatest scaling layer 1 open source storehouse, especially open blockchain networks on the planet, or so they truly thought. Kadena organization asserts that it can execute almost 500,000 exchanges each second. With the genuinely high exchange speed, Kadena doesn't need a layer 2 scaling like others. For example, the Ethereum organization. Kadena makes blockchain open for everybody on the planet. Kadena as an environment gives security to Bitcoin, unrivaled throughput, basically especially free gas, and kind of shrewd agreements. Kadena enhances the highlights and versatility of the agreement. Brilliant agreement language. Settlement is decipherable for non-designers likewise, and it can consequently recognize bugs in a significant manner. What in a real sense makes Kadena not quite the same as most certainly other blockchain suppliers and most certainly brilliant agreement vendors is, it tends to the main issues of the digital money market. For example, protection, security, speed, especially high throughput and precision of exchanges, the specialized comprehension for sort of typical individuals to get to the environment in an essentially significant manner. The stage was for the most part helped to establish by trailblazers of the blockchain business. Stuart Popejoy, the organizer and chief of Kadena, in every way that really matters, was the previous head of J.P. Morgan's Arising Blockchain Bunch, alongside Will Martino, the fellow benefactor and leader of Kadena. He was the tech truly lead of SEC's Digital Currency Directing Board of Trustees, or so they truly thought. Shrewd agreements, self-executing contracts with predefined agreements between two gatherings is called kind of savvy contracts. Most of fundamentally brilliant agreements like Ethereum are not gasless. Client in every practical sense has zero command over the agreements they convey into the organization and run as modify. However, Kadena savvy contract upheld by agreement permits the client to assemble easy shrewd agreements, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Clients can in a real sense compose the agreement or send off it on the 50th DApp, making the agreement a lot more secure than commonly other in every way that really matters. Shrewd agreements, or so they especially thought. No expense exchanges. Kadena will generally choose to give the first crypto corner store, disposing of all exchange charges to clients in an unobtrusive manner. This step can in every practical sense lead to the mass reception of DApps. The exceptional design of Kadena can truly make increment energy effective exchanges each second. Blockchain innovation. The public blockchain organization of Kadena basically is the main common and versatile layer 1 proof-of-work network being used today, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The adaptability and throughput are accomplished by twisting with kind of various blockchains like Bitcoin to sort of satisfy certainly higher needs in the organization. They made a live organization extension from 10 chains to 20 chains. The multi-chain engineering keeps Kadena from arriving at the throughput roof. Kadena is the main versatile confirmation of work stage which is equipped for scaling to settle 9+ million exchanges executions consistently. Kadena specialized investigation, which basically is very critical. The Kadena cost has mobilized in the genuinely beyond couple of weeks, making certainly better upsides in the everyday graph. The new send-off of wrapped Kadena coin on the Ethereum organization. Carry out of non-fungible tokens. The new posting is the purpose for the new Kadena cost activity, which is genuinely huge. Kadena cost today is exchanging at $7.05, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Kadena has a 24-hour exchanging volume $72,173,208.43. Extremely current market cap is $1,204,811,363.58 with a flowing stock $171,287,601 KDA in a significant manner. The cost of Kadena enlisted an untouched high of $28.25 in November 2021 and an unsurpassed in every practical sense low of 12 cents in January 2021. The authentic information on the by and large everyday outline shows that the distinction between the worth of the initial cost and the end cost of Kadena KDA is small, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Kadena was executing a bullish energy and sideways pattern till October 17, 2021 in a significant way. From the in every practical sense, second 7-day stretch of October 2021, Kadena cost really begun climbing, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The cost of Kadena KDA took a rest in the genuinely last 7-day stretch of October 2021 and proceeded upswing till the cost contacted an unequaled certainly high in a significant manner. Market information basically shows that dealers began aggregating KDA cryptos into their portfolios. Then later, in November 2021, their by and large was gigantic cost rise. Yet at last it began to fall, which for the most part is very critical. There sort of was an essentially minor spike in December 2021 when the cost rose once more. However, there was a defeat from that point forward, and from mid-February 2022 value unpredictability is noticed. A Kadena value drop can in a real sense be normal for the following a few days. Prompt help levels generally are put around $5.19, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Any cost dip under this is a sell Kadena sign. The obstruction of Kadena's cost truly is $10.54, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The really significant specialized pointers are impartial. Amazingly, RSI is set at 59.17, which is an impartial zone. The MACD line generally has commonly crossed the kind of sign line which shows recuperation in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Investigating the specialized examination in view of EMA, the very normal cost of Kadena for the most part is exchanging past its 20 EMA and 50 EMA in an extremely significant way. According to the figures, we can expect the cost pullback in Kadena an incentive for the close to term. A short time later, the cost could reflect long-haul procuring really potential. Starting from the beginning of the year 2022, value unpredictability is seen till now. Kadena value forecasts 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. According to the Kadena gauge, the cost could exchange around $9.34 in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The KDA cost conjecture for the most part shows that Kadena's worth may, in every practical sense, arrive at the exceptionally greatest value level of $11.06 by 2023. According to the Kadena conjecture, it will be a productive venture choice for the future whenever contributed at the ongoing cost levels, which fundamentally is very critical. Kadena value expectation 2024 in a quite large manner. Dealers can in a real sense purchase Kadena to get an enormous return, as the cost might exchange around $12.04 toward the finish of 2024. Kadena coin cost expectation in a real sense shows the genuinely normal cost at $10.61 for the year, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Kadena value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive way. It will contact $13.63 toward the finish of 2025. Merchants really accept to buy and large put resources into Kadena to in a real sense get an arrival of a truly greatest value level of $14.54 in the year 2025, which generally is over 2 times the truly current worth in a significant manner. Kadena KDA expectations are incredibly bullish for 2025. Kadena value expectation 2026. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In the year 2026, cost revision by and large is gauge as per our cryptographic money expectation. The cost of Kadena is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense be at around a sort of least worth of $11.48. The Kadena cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $13.84 with an all things considered normal cost of $12.77, which would be similarly genuinely low than the year 2025. Is Kadena a wise venture? Indeed, Kadena explicitly is a very wise venture choice in light of the ongoing KDA cost pattern and Kadena cost forecast in a significant manner. The Kadena estimate is bullish for the not-so-distant future. Purchase Kadena for a time of 5 years for a kind of good return later on in a genuinely significant manner. Investigating the organization's guide. Each